Enogie is a nice person. Wamu. There inare girl no yamu. Wamu. Imi awa je mi ati ya package ere. Blue me ati flea boss. Ya package Italy. Sisi wane guess na wa ya to. Guess Italy wa bia. Wayamu. O ma bi okpe amagwe okwo ebie. Iku gbo ise. No wa mu baba na nia. Wa mu bi okpe yo wonya. Inside.
You can insult him inside, but not outside, because your fans, they look you, they insult your husband. We also have the effortry to also insult your husband because it's so disrespectful.
You know the problem where Enogie get now. If to say na Italy now, people don't carry up for house. Jamie here. If one is Germany, why here? Born straight to Wawade. Born straight. Born straight to do a baby mama. Did Italy no ba? Yeah, why you we marriage? No, why you beef your boy? A life you work because mommy 3D. A bit 300. Oh, I can't know why you love Italy. You know, you game nibudo. When mommy, on miss of your now go. No, if you not do, another person go do. One is red game in the row. Why ya? You never want more. Born straight cool. Our headache be a lacy. If we have a polo over gaming, one man to the lava. Hey, why you no get lava? Imami one no get lava. Oh, corner. He be
like person they toast. He are going to do the one way they do so.
You understand?
If you mean I was just say 100, or may say 97 what you know. 97. Aware. Yeah, go soon. Yeah, go soon. That be where you want go. Voilà. Imami wa no Enogie. Wa ya ka wa median. Enogie is a nice person. Wamu. There inare girl no yamu. Wamu. Imi awa je mi ati ya package ere. Blue me ati flea boss. Ya package Italy. Sisi wane guess na wa ya to. Guess Italy wa bia. Wayamu. O ma bi okpe amagwe okwo ebie. Iku gbo ise. No wa mu baba na nia. Wa mu bi okpe yo wonya. Hilora.
It's your choice because I know that your family are.
I don't need sorry here. I don't need to see she don't son of the family. No need for cleansing. She should carry it peacefully.
Yeah, but and also let me tell the people where they say wanna carry and go inside. I beg if you not they enjoy this saga. How come 7,600 people they wash? Me, I dey enjoy the saga. Not the evil saga. I dey enjoy the marital issue because everybody is learning from it. And Mama Nora, you need to also.
Go no. Okay, no give we are learning. Ekpe kwa boy. Okay, no give we. Where is school? Where? Are you in school? We're getting on a wabeta.
Don't learn from it because this.
I bet. My view they go. Mona let us go. Mona.
Me need my new fast. Since 2022.
No, the major one where this newspaper don't carry. Not be the small one.
To the word. Oh, where to the word? Where you tear do? Where you do have the live video?
Why am I not?
Please don't stress me.
You when you am lawa. Oh no, we don't. Oh when you am ezona lawa. Oh we are white and no. Ije me wo. Oh when you am lawa. Ije. E not a very tita. O se. O no mo elatia. Gi an mo elatia. Oh when you am lawa. Ije me. Oh when I want na bi baiba. Ije. Nori eke agia omudia. Nori e ugbo agia omudia. Nori ogo agia omudia. Eri owo ni ya we na ije me o eri ma ne presenter me be bo me be ko be apalo gbogbo e be ni be palo na amare na apalo o owe na no ipapa apalo e na ko be palo go me eri o
the matter the week me no dey take try ni ceasefire yo na when they do the ceasefire ni ceasefire yamanya it was very meji Igboneri oga mo Enogie at least for now ya we live video we very one video agbara be careful at least who said to me wo wa Master na gbeso very meji. It also very gbeso 2-3 days. Why we Makobozi must to ladian. Why we are we to make sure so everywhere calm. Master na any I want to hear why we live video. Also hear why live video. So it would escalate more and more. Enogie gbogbo ni re yo wa. Master. Gbogbo no re yo wa.
Iya duwa no. Wọ́n duwa no.
Ye no ra kwe. Ye no ra kwe. Because the beggar with the woman, you know, 1 year. You know, say he woman matter, he goes in the server on his own, code there. So
when no say no na we be on here. When you know that have here, you know get ya buy yo. When no general, especially you don't know that to buy. What say the better we tell oh, we are to buy.
Anything you buy your million la dia. Anything you buy no million la dia.
What buy yo we are here. On your here.
For now, when you know that jina na, you know that you na wa yo ha.
You tell
you know why you are. So anything that time you know, really here for because you believe
you marry care.
You fuck up in no give fuck up in no give fuck up in no give fuck up in right here. We believe the be right here now.
Oh my brother, need get to woman. Why we a brother wa fi wana. Obi adoma ni. Enogie ma fuck up. Me na wajina. Uno me we boss here. The matter where Enogie ma fuck up. O piano. 1. Number 2. Oma bo ho ni ari owa auto say yan gun with a call so opie don't know you cannot say oya ge gawe oma wrong anything my brother jete no gege le wrong anything when dem sunu na okpa ya lodge joko ogoko we oni oma no wrong ma oma ni wewe ogoko we gun oye gbugberu gaba ani okpe abere onia oma wrong e lo ra
Enogie na have be Enogie even make history Enogie na have be oh it is you know right
yes now oma be have be now talk about it because of the children
Enogie na have be also you know right o wa re kwewe
because of the children ije no ramana ri ebe ni oma be ri ebe ni oma na ri ebe ko
o wa see no right o wa have be
come no general
what the media or they advise people now they do things now
you are disrespecting your husband. It's not fair. No.
When they give people advice now when they busy now they mentor people it's not equal to now you know people don't
don't please mo ko why we wash it la ugbe so ni ni na provoke be o ga go ati oni se ni oni se we ha ge o kan we go on better wa keep a video better wa wo ke no gbe apopo u ba we ki Enogie u gbe fi we ki o sa ni na we ki age it's not fair like that. You are disgracing your husband. It's not those people you are disgracing. Oh, we are we killed that for everybody has husband. No more. Okay, we're going to go only you advise. You are we Enogie. You do we Enogie. But you matter no no buy your when you were your buy your iwo. People wa comment. I want a one. No, don't please write down. Don't please. Next. Okay, next. Why are you laughing,
Mama, well done.
Queen, next. Queen. Oh, yeah, Mama, go on.
Brother, when you talk finish just now, God will bless you.
Amen.
Mama, they listening to you since I'm from SMK. Sorry, I will speak broken.
Don't worry, speak English.
You know, now Europe, I spoil many things for this life. The time when Mama Nora first come out, I love 2 of them as a 2 couple. I love them. But the way when that woman did provoke, the way when that girl, that lady, take the provoke, is too much.
Too much.
That's the power. I don't really think is now in your mind. Now they do all those things.
No,
the spirit is too high for her. Okay. And even though say that spirit, he won't use her, not before his husband body. If man marry woman, that man go do whatever he do for outside. So far he not doing for inside house. Nigeria men, we African men, they born like that. Even Oyibo still they do it. Not be only Nigeria they do it. So far they not doing for presence of that woman. And the place where we for they come, that they marry 2 women, 3 women, 4 women.
6.
So far, the hand, when you take hold one, I know out of the children, one person go even get, you go still get person when you love more than the rest. We just they say now the same hand, now they take the whole children. I like, You must get the one when the one when you really like. When you send a message, he always go for you.
Good for you.
One thing I won't talk for this matter. The time when they won't do marriage, when this lady first come out, do some kind thing. I said no, this lady, this marriage, it not will last, reach anywhere. Okay. And I still repeat it today. That marriage not will reach anywhere. The two of them not will stay till the end. Not be swear. I know that is. I don't know how to talk when people will feel understand. Say
no, now what do you see now?
Yes, I know they lay cause on them.
No, not
when
because
I talk, woman need to bear some kind things. Follow his husband. Before you marry this man, you don't know the kind person he be. And anything one person see for marriage, you need so far not be waiting to kill that person. When not be waiting to go buy that woman, or not be waiting to go buy that man. And if two couple day anything like this come, if you as a woman not feel better, you need to call home. That's why we get family.
Yes.
Before marriage come, family don't involve for the matter. As you see and say your husband don't they do something when you know like you will call home, tell your mother. I always talk about the man when I married this for my life now. I mother the same if they call life again at the same mother-in-law. Now I go still get. Why I talk because if something that woman always stand to say the truth, say my pikin not be like this you supposed to do. But now like this you supposed to do. My pikin, why you can't still do like this? That thing will calm that woman down. Even though say the woman know the truth, say if they go outside or if they do anything when you know right, he will stand by that woman first. He go first as a mother say, oh yeah, like this that they do it for husband. Not stay for one side. I don't know whether these two people or the rest people when they do this thing on social media, whether they don't have family for the two sides, I don't really know. You understand, Mama? Because this thing don't too much. Why I always tell people for all those one of my things, you understand? But why I always come out if I see say this kind of thing they go on, I will come and talk. Because the rest people when won't come marry, we still have children. There is a youth when you go marry tomorrow. If marriage continue like this, they will come they fear to marry. Or they will pick for all those things. They follow their marriage. And another thing when Mama Laura always do, it do they swear. Any small thing will carry egg. Egg can destroy house. Egg can make person get accident. That person will buy. Many things where egg they stand for. You don't need to use egg for your husband or elomo, the onion for your husband. You're the swear good for your husband. And that your husband. Now you born 4 children for. If this thing really come to pass, may God not let them come to pass for your husband enemy, or the may come to pass for your enemy, but not before your body. As a wife, what you will do tomorrow?
Go they cry. Now so, go cry.
If the marriage not work for 2 of them, make that man come for that marriage. Make the woman stay alone. Because for me, I don't see marriage there. Marriage not there. Pretend. Okay. 2 people they pretend are not be like her. Una will cause each other finish tomorrow. Today, tomorrow they stay together.
Hello. Sorry, sir, come over, Mama. You see what you talk, you say made the marriage. Is it easy to come up for marriage like that? We be say
it's very easy, pa. Now when they just the wicked suffer.
Listen. We only wait for the easy now. When if to say the man now get documents, you can start for you to determine
don't mean the panel Europe all of us. You understand? I just spent 25 years here in Europe. In Italy here. You understand? This document can buy this document will make person buy. He go leave document.
That's it. Okay, let me talk one thing now. If you don't see document like no people, but if one can't buy for inside, one can't go.
Mama, my people might turn something. If Enogie can come out this situation, all this situation that they say they do gaga. Oh, nothing they here. Now that just say Mama Nora to go far for that egg.
Yes.
They do greedy. But
more than not vex so. I hear the letter.
Mama, I want to talk my own.
They come. May I talk to Don Priest? Don Priest. So I see the letter where you read say where they take someone for Nigeria. Make God do no whether na no thing I don't know her. Why if this lady really love her husband, why not go to one? We are though we are
see Iyenukokomon, may I tell you something? The first day where I interviewed them, where I bring them, I made the first person we interviewed the first day. Do you know that first day I tried to do everything? Mama Nora herself say he will do everything. Even that the same live video that day. Go check people who watch her. Mama Nora put water for mouth. He returned the whole swear, everything. He returned, go bread, come out, return everything, come out. take do on that day. Mona wait first, Mona wait. Wait, as he do all those things that day, just to show say all those things not reach my day. He can't also okay now. He will go do the other one, but he want make the people very your husband family very shattered. So if they reach shattered, he must go do and say he say only be we not go respect your husband family. So after we don't do everything, I was very happy. So he don't reach like that. Maybe if he don't do a peace go come. Do you know that after we don't finish that video, I don't know whether people go come and man or I go. I don't know what it up with.
Yeah, make not do
Before we all know, you all come out to say no go do or say like no go do again. For me, now me believe say people don't go encourage and me not do.
Yeah,
say I go do that kind of thing. So people don't try to spoil. Me know that people will go do and go spoil the man. But in a way, as a no give way be mad for the ass. There's a way you still do your ass. Maybe say he will still do amicably. You understand me? So you will still handle and without you know what these are the social media and everybody call it decide on social media.
Okay, don't please I beg. Hey, Mama, I won't quit talk. Me, I come on here. Epa, you know one thing when I want to talk for this matter. The power when they follow Mama Nora enemy is bigger than Enogie. I'm telling you the truth. The power, the spirit when they control Mama Nora is bigger than his husband.
He's not bigger than the husband.
No, it's not right. Princess, let me say this, yeah?
Go ahead.
Publicly, there was a time, few weeks ago, I did a Enogie platform, yeah? When Enogie the host. So, when it happened, the wife call talk say she need money to do her juju. She talk and she said na 4 she need to do. Now Enogie talk say not be my platform or you are call ask for money. So they can use laugh and joke. They forget that part. Princess, what do you talk? I agree with it. That is number 1. 2, Princess, you also said, I'm just showing some enlightenment on what you said. You also ask, do they not have family? 1, Enogie said it publicly, yeah, that this one they hear anybody word, anybody they will go fit talk to the wife. Okay, that is number 2 point. And number 3 point, beneath they talk and say, oh, Bonuya no give away a. Okay, this was the same lady that was swearing for single mother, looking single mother Leslie. We should hit the nail on the head so that people can know. You understand? You can't just insult people, then at the end of the day, you go to your room and lie down. No. If somebody insults you, insult that person back. You understand? Okay, a lot of people come to talk, say, why you go insult single mothers? Why you go insult single mothers? Look at it now. Nobody knows where this arrow came from. Nobody knows.